All right, so we got a 2011 Escalade in the shop. You don't see these very often, just in general. But what we're going to do today is we're actually putting a radio in here. So I actually already took this middle piece out here, and then the next piece is to take this one. So be careful with it because it is wood grain and such. And we have the radio piece here, and there's two clips on them. That guy comes out. Then we can start taking this out. This is a kind of involved install, but it's not going to be terrible because we're using the iDataLink Maestro system. But the difference between the two is going to be amazing. So we got factory 7-inch, crappy GPS on it, and we're going to upgrade to a Kenwood 1038, and we'll have a big floating screen. All right, guys, we're finished up with this Escalade here. So we got our brand new Kenwood 1038S Exelon in here. It looks fantastic. Definitely what the customer was wanting. We're able to get the screen and tilt it a little bit, but I know in this case, she wants it completely vertical. So that's why we also picked this stereo. So we got Android Auto up here right now, and we have our main menu, all of our extra settings. But included with this setup, we're able to do the iDataLink Maestro setup. So we have our TPMS here, and then we can do our battery voltage, and if there's a check engine light, it'll come on as well. very integrated to this vehicle. And then if we go in reverse, we're able to keep the factory camera as well. And it's got our alerts here, just like the factory does. 100% integration into the car, which is exactly what we wanted. I think the customer's gonna like it. And then a little hidden feature down here. We have our HDMI and USB-C that you can charge your phone with and put some kind of media through the HDMI if you wanted to. All right, guys, well, that's it for this one, and we'll see you guys on the next one.